अब तो इंडिया ने ना सुनना, they're not willing for it anymore. Now at least India is not stopping anywhere. It's freaking brilliant the way in the last 10 years the country has grown, and the journey of 2 hours can be done in 20 minutes. As in, you wouldn't even believe it. Matlab, like, who would have thought something like this was possible? And aaj, matlab, Navi Mumbai से Mumbai तक, all the journeys made so easily and with such amazing infrastructure makes me feel proud.
जब वर्ल्ड के बाकी साइट्स हम देखते थे तो लोग कहते थे कि इंडिया में ऐसे स्ट्रक्चर्स हो ही नहीं सकते, इंडिया का इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर इस लेवल का हो ही नहीं सकता, इंडिया नहीं बना सकता। तो अब हमने ये कर दिखाया अटल सेतु।
हाँ जी।
तो वर्ल्ड हमको क्रिटिसाइज करता है, उस पर क्या कहेंगी?
अब तो इंडिया ने ना सुनना, they're not willing for it anymore. So I think now at least India is not stopping anywhere. Nobody is saying it's not possible in India, ab ho nahi sakta, or it's impossible for India. Nobody's like, look at our country grow. Like, it's freaking brilliant the way in the last 10 years the country has grown, and the infrastructure today, the planning in our country, the road planning, everything is just brilliant. So I think now it's the hard time.
इंफ्रा का कोई ऐसा काम होने में पहले दशकों लग जाते थे, सिर्फ 7 साल में बना है, तो जो टाइम
हाँ जी, मतलब I just got to know अभी कि it's all done in 7 years and it's what 20 kilometers. It's amazing. Like, look at it. As a young Bharatiya, to all of you, from this majestic architecture, the majestic infrastructure, Atal Setu, विकास और डेवलपमेंट रुकना नहीं चाहिए। विकास और डेवलपमेंट के लिए वोट करिए।